YouTube, TikTok, Instagram was good, y'all. Welcome back to IT Roadmap, Tech by E, the IT Roadmap. Alright, I know it's been a while, but we back at it. We're back here posting consistently about IT, how to break into IT and stuff like that. My alarm is going on. Okay, that's crazy. Alright. And today's video, guys, you know what I'm saying? Before we get into the video though, guys, we're at 402 subscribers, guys. That's crazy. Okay? Considering the fact that I've been gone for a while, you guys have been still tuning into the channel. I appreciate each and one of you guys. Alright, so like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. And a round of applause for those that keep subscribing, okay? That keep subscribing, that keep tuning in to this channel. Okay? Anyways, today's video, guys, is a basic one. Very basics. I want to go all the way back to the Windows basics. Okay, Windows 10, Windows 11 basics. If you're in IT, okay, and even if you're not in IT, this will help you when you run into applications and stuff like that that are causing you issues. Guys, for those that are trying to get into IT, for those that are in IT, y'all should know how to utilize Task Manager because time after time, clients, customers, they contact me. They might contact you over the phone. Hey, my applications are not working. So what do you do in that case, guys? If your applications and stuff like that are not working, well, simple. I'm a virtual machine right here. Okay, 1 second. Whoops. Let me put myself up here so y'all can really see what's going on. Okay. First things first, guys. If an application, let's say Outlook, okay, was not working or is frozen or whatever the case may be, let's say it's any application, but Outlook is like number one thing with a lot of issues when it comes to IT. Outlook is the number one thing when it comes to that. You know what I'm saying? Let's say the client can't send emails or their Outlook is not responding or whatever the case may be. Or let's say Excel or whatever is not working or anything on this computer is not working, right? What you guys need to do is open up Task Manager. As the subject matter expert, as an IT professional, you guys need to know all these shortcuts. To open Task Manager is very easy. If you guys can see my mouse right here, right click, Task Manager. That's how you open it. As simple as that. And let's say you want to kill a task. You want to add a task. Easy. You just click on it, right click on it, and task. And you end it. You close it right then and there. Nothing crazy to it. Now, essentially what the task manager is, it shows you all the live applications that are running on your computer. All applications, background applications, and even applications that are currently open. And within the task manager, I don't know if you guys can notice, the task manager actually shows you when a task manager is open. Alright? So that's how you end a task. Also, on the task manager, you guys can see your CPU, your memory, your disk, whatever, Ethernet, all that stuff. What's being utilized the most on your computer. You'll see all of that stuff on Task Manager, guys. And as you guys can see, my memory is absolutely garbage on this VM. I actually need to add more memory. But guys, that's basically all you gotta do. Let's say Edge was the issue, right? Let's say they were stuck on Edge. Again, what you do is you open up the Task Manager. Again, I'm gonna go over how to open it very fast. Okay, you right click on the task manager, taskbar, I mean, and you click on task manager. You saw that? Task manager, boom. And that's how you do it. And then you just end the task. Boom. That's all you gotta do, guys. That's all you gotta do. This is the bare minimum. This is, if you guys read CompTIA A plus, I don't even know if this is even an A plus, to be honest, because it's so basic. But it's good to know. It's good to know when you guys run into these issues because you're the subject matter expert. You should know how computers work. You should know how Windows 11, Windows 10, even Windows 7, if people are still using that. You need to know that thing inside out, guys. Alright? So that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe. My mouth is so dry right now. I need water. Alright? Comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew, guys. 402 subscribers. Let's try to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the month. Actually, maybe not from the end of the month. It's already almost the end of the month, but maybe by February 30. 30. What am I saying? I'm tripping. There's no February 30. By February 28th, let's get it up to 500 subscribers. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, guys. I appreciate each and one of you guys, and we out. Peace.